JP Barok Shkatup Khubor Jangi Ran Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki pagkongsan mentaka singi kilong. Kajing pedon kami usmat meter kan pensuk shibo ni kilong yeng Ha Ka Jylla ong uba preston tensong. Yo sembai keba bat jing hikai kinong rap kasnong sok menting. Persang siang surak thamai hajawai daga pot sil kabam ktai kamaryang. Ban. Pelipat ba Menteri Rang Ba Ka Jylla ya ka North East Food Show Baar Hamadan Polo Shillong. Tumantang ni apaj ki khubor ki bakham bania. Kumsi benta ban rakhi ka jingyo Jylla bapura ka Meghalaya hini kasngi Menteri Rang Ba Ka Jylla ukanrat ke sangma ula pelat pat ba ikidur ki ban sakan mau ya ka Jylla Meghalaya kabala tip kum ka iconic exhibition photos of interest ha State Convention Hall. Habakran hakani kasngi Menteri Rang Ba ula kentui ki khon samla ban pen khlanya ka jingtip shaphang la Ka Jylla khnang bakin la ban kham it bat kham sngo jan ya la ka jong Ka Jylla.
Everything that is connected with the state and as much as possible in the last 50 years, the defining moments. It is important that people, the citizens of the state, especially the younger generation, most of whom do not know about a lot of this history, they need to get connected to it. And that is the reason why in this entire 50th year of the statehood, a number of different programs are being organized to remind ourselves about the different phases that we went to get our state, and also more importantly the events that have shaped the state of Meghalaya to bring it to where we are today. And I must thank the entire team and especially Mr. Hussain, whose contribution we can all see in the exhibition that is there today. As was mentioned, the photographs are these moments that you capture, and it is such a I should say, a lot of people think it's very simple, but it's not that simple.
Kasorkar Jylla menta kala pen kre ban pendat no ki smart meter habaro ki longyeng Ka Jylla da ka thong ban pensuk yaki la ka de hakarukom siu niwat hakarukom ai ka jing shakri. Habapan benaya ka ni Menteri Gatanat Boarding badairu usembut Menteri Rang Ba Ka Jylla ula ong ba da ka ba pendat ki smart meter ki pat ba kinom don show ka jing kno ba ka MECL ka slam ni turmor hakarukom pen poi ya ka bil by boarding ni ka bala jutep kum ka bil light.
Kajing toy kalong ba ngim da don kam briu su ngim don kam su ban ong ya pha briu lanim don kam su ban ong ba ngin pha ya kita bakin le kolek ya kan ka bil sya ka we pa ko ya tlu ying ten rei leng ba jong kan ka phone kamut leng ba jong kan ka smart meters kala indicate la lap la pa dang ta ka balai kajing toy jong ne smart meters kalong ba lada menta kadon ka shutdown kadon ke load shedding sikenta na kanta auto mitar unum trekam unum chat cakabil kambot kabil kan yaj be tik kat kum kajing podon kam jong kitu kitrayen kan long tik ko mga ompi haka mobile phone lagi podon kam khambun kamot kalut khamkloy ladangi podon kam khendiat kamot kalut khamslem te kata kan long kajing mentoy kam kraw na kabenta jong ka misel hakaba mdot kam ban maresu enrei man kabenai kin sayo kine ki beneficiaries lene ki long yeng hala ke jong ka mobile joki ya ka message ba phiap sil no kala poi satangata ka balan joki sa satangata
Hidin kasngi ka sautari ujemang arhajar arpuar ka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences Central Agricultural University Umyam Meghalaya rengkat ka jinga trelang ka ICAR NCIPM New Delhi but Menteri Pentornen Farmers Welfare and Producers Organization kala penlong ya ka jing hikai pensngo tho but samru ya usembai ka ba CAUR1 Shakinong rap kasnong Somenting West Jante Hills District nakalyang UKL Pariat u advisor ka seng Menteri Pentornen Farmers Welfare and Producers Organization ulaya tho ba yauni ka ba sembai kala dap rap ha Menteri Pentorneng hamukla but khendiat house nambaladam kila rap ha Menteri Pentorwa Dr. KN Singh baru Dr. M Pathak naka CAU CPGS Umyam Riboy District kila pensngo tho shikinong rap hakajinga de beruni usembai daka baong ba ulong ujat sembai ubabha badru ubasaiso nang ta ula batairu ya karukom lang kijaka baya habha ban rep uni ujat sembai nang ta ula batairu ya karukom long kijaka baya habha ban rep uni ujat sembai Hakani kasi ladon kumba arpusan ngut kinong rep balayo jing hikai pensngong thu kumju ukba sembai harengkat ka jing don lang udoloi elaka amui.
Amount of your milk. That is normally we used to give that cow dung milk, isn't it? And the soil portion half and cow dung portion half. You sow the seed properly and the nursery bed should be prepared very fine and with time. Okay. With sufficient time you should keep while preparing the nursery bed, and it should be dig out and crush it and fine and then expose to the sun, and then again after 2-3 days again you just turn the soil and then level it properly, and then you just put half of your milk on that. After that you just sow your seed. Okay. How much quantity you have to sow, that is per kg.
Hene kasngi kawe ka karkhana shna surok na nong ba New Delhi ka Verma Industries kalawan persang pen inuksa thep siang haki benta ka surok bala thleu halat thalabo joai harangkat gajing sakhi ki saheb nakatanat PWD. Nakaliang Uvara Prasad, Senior Product Manager kanika karkhana, ule thu ba ka Verma Industries kade ka bala ithu da ka Sorkar Jilla Meghalaya lengba katanat PWD badru kabaju dep siang syakani katanat. Uya thuru bakani kap siang VI Port Seal kade kabala dep clear lepa kapan sukru hakaban pendap ikithliu haki surok barkani kap siang kade kabala mangker pang ya ka Meghalaya kajaka bajur selam bat bakrian. Shushu ulaong nalor bakador kalong kababiang amdan kamru banbun kinong trei kumju ki kor ki bor bahe. Kadeiru katkum ka SOR schedule of rate katanat PWD bat kabam kta ya kamariang. Yakani kap siang Port Seal laban yo haka berni ba arpusan kilo hakador ka basan spa san paushi berni.
Prasad. We are from Verma Industries and we are approved in Meghalaya PWD department for supply of bitumen emulsions and various road products. Today we would like to thank PWD Joai for giving us such a great opportunity to demonstrate our product. This is very unique product. See, we know what potholes can do damage to the lives of people. See, the potholes have been cause of many fatality deaths in India of lately. So this product, as you can see, we have already demonstrated 2 potholes. This is a 25 kgs bag which has aggregate bitumen mixed in it. So to put that in a simpler way, it is a premix material. So what you need to do is just wherever you find a pothole, you just need to clean the pothole and you have to cut the bag and pour the material in the pothole. It is as simple as that. As the media has already recorded the videos, as we have filled the 2 potholes within in 15 minutes span of time, and and the best part about this is we don't require any other machinery like rollers or heating. There is no need of heating. There is no need of road rollers. There is any need of heavy equipment. We don't need even skilled labor to do it. Any simple labor can do it.
Menteri Rangba ka Jilla ukonrat ke sangma rengkat bat Menteri Rangba ka Sikkim UPS Tamang hene kasngi kila plepat ba ya ka North East Food Show arhajar arpuar kabala penlong Hamadan Polo hakarukom ka basong kun bha. Hakani ka Lumpung lawan banya shimbanta bat pen inam de ki kunduho na ki Jilla ba pher badon hakani ka than chate lami ngi jongkari bat kiwe. Ka jing penlong ka te ka Lumpung kalong ru ban penya kundu lang nadu kinong rap kinong khayi bar kinong trikam lajong hakawe karensan.
There will always be room for improvement. There will always be areas where we'll make things much better. But we need to start somewhere. And that's the reason why I'm very, very pleased and happy to see the kind of response that we're getting from everybody. I just felt like spending the whole day out here because the smiles that I see on the farmers' faces, the smiles that I see on the entrepreneurs' faces, the way people are pulling me and saying, "Yo, why don't you try this food? Why don't you try this wine?" We want to bring a smile to our entrepreneurs and to our farmers' faces. We want to see that we are able to provide them that additional benefit, that we are able to provide that opportunity that they need to be able to compete with the best in the world, and that's what we will do. The northeast part of India, and remember this is a northeast show, it's not a Meghalaya show alone. And the reason why we call it a Northeast show is because we realize that the international market looks at variety. We realize that the international market looks at scale. Meghalaya may not be able to produce the kind of scale that we require for a buyer or a country. But when the entire Northeast comes together, we can do it. And therefore it is a Northeast show, and you will see that we are trying to expand and bring out an outreach to all the Southeast Asian nations also. I'm so thankful for Vietnam, our His Excellency, who is here today. Vietnam is a shining example of what the states in the Northeast can become.
Pada kitu Khubor ngilapoi siya kabakun, tarhado bangin liya siyambiang, kublay sibun.